What's up guys, Josh here doing an unboxing video. I'm going to start doing YouTube videos of me doing auto repair, tractor repair, pretty much any kind of repair and fix using my brand new TengTools set. I got these tools just in today and I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of it. Very excited about these, looking forward to them. This is the 419 piece foam insert. Every tool has its specific foam location. It is going to be so nice, so awesome. Everything's going to be perfectly organized. Everything's going to be great. Just pull out a drawer, see what's in there. If it's not there, I gotta start fights. Luckily, we won't have to start fights today. I'm the only mechanic here. Let's see. So, yeah, let's go ahead and just get started on this bad boy. Man, what a gorgeous day out. Just beautiful sky, beautiful day, a little hot, 95 degrees, a little warm, 80% humidity. About to take apart this TengTools set that I got today. It's going to be really awesome. Going to be doing an unboxing video of it in a second. Just beautiful, beautiful day out. Until you get to this. So I gotta move fast because those are not Bob Ross's happy clouds. Probably have to start putting everything up real quick. Texas weather. Wait 15 minutes if you don't like it. This is a Tengu right here, this guy. So this is a Japanese folklore. Something really cool. So like they go after arrogant, full of themselves professionals. So like a Buddhist monk that was using his position to scam and manipulate, you know, the peasantry. So the Tengu would go after that guy. So we got this guardian spirit making sure this tree don't get shady. We keep it on the shop here. That's the problem. Too many mechanics take shortcuts. No shortcuts here. Straight, honest, good tools. These come from Taiwan, designed in Sweden, shipped here in America. This is a insanely lightweight, just, it feels good in the hand. Like, it feels like I could put some abuse to it. Alright, so we got all the tools put up. Probably going to be doing some reorganization later on as I find what works for me, what doesn't. But overall, this is the beauty of Teng. It's not just that you're getting high quality. Like, these things, I've seen snap-ons and Macs, not Matcos, but I've seen worse tools coming out of the big guys. And this is, my biggest problem with these wrenches is that I never know which way they're going. This clear, just, there's no guesswork. It's either on or off. It's almost like a hybrid between a teardrop and a circular style one. But going back to my original point, you get all this for under $3,000. Just laying that right out there. And for me, I used to be in the Air Force, and I was an aircraft mechanic. Part of it involved tool organization and accountability. This just tickles my cockles just deep down inside. Just, it's all organized. Once I get a feel for things and I get everything labeled, we're going to be doing like some laser etching, get some graphics going on here, have everything perfectly labeled. Once I figure out, okay, this is where I want this, and this. But yeah, just everything perfectly organized. I even have the certificates of calibration for the torque wrench here and these two torque wrenches here that it's resting underneath it, just in case I ever need to refer to it. Yeah, it's got everything. It's got your T-handles, your breaker bar. Look at the size of this thing. Pull this. Oh my God. Look at this. This is a weapon for war. War against stubborn parts, but, you know. It's war. It's war. It's war to me. You know. Fighting the battle against. That feels good in the hand. Just. It's all here. I even got a whammer jammer for those extra stuck ones. Impacts. Got your 1/2 inch. Got your breaker bar and wheel set. You may notice a little rocking. That's more of the, the foundation here at this home. Not so much the tool set. Toolbox is well built. Not the toolbox. Don't blame the toolbox. Oh, it's just
right perfect size. Oh, that is cool. That is so cool. Yeah, they give you just about everything you could possibly need. This is gorgeous. High professional grade tools. High quality. Like these aren't your Harbor Freights. You know, this isn't no Pittsburgh set that's just gonna go bad soon. What is this? Oh, it's even got a magnetic pickup tool. Oh man. Auto punch. And this is for future use. Yeah. That's the unboxing. The whole thing. We'll come back with some more videos, but this is going to be awesome. This is just the best tool set I have ever gotten. Happy birthday to me.